Hey folks, Steve Butler here. A lot of people have been asking me when they're doing a mortise and tenon, like what's the fit? What are they looking for? A really nice tight fit where you have to just tap it in with a mallet? Do you want to leave some extra room for glue, etc.? So anyways, this is just a sample piece that I use for the mortise and tenon joint in No Joiner, No Planer when I make the little shaker side table. And what you want to do, here I have just a regular mortise, and here is my tenon. It's a 1/4-inch tenon, and what I do is I just put some glue on the cheeks of the tenon, and then I set it in my mortise. And what you're looking for is a nice snug fit. I have to push that in, but I do not have to use a mallet. If you have to use a mallet, it's too tight. This glue's gonna expand. And you just don't wanna rely on the glue itself. You don't wanna have to put a lot of glue in there to make up or fill that gap. So that is what you're looking for. You should be able to hold this up without it falling apart. And then you can also, there we go, take it apart. That's it. Anyways, I hope you join me back here in the garage.